Hi everyone, welcome to our first Naughty by Nature trail cam video for our Wicked Wasted workshop worksheets that went out in February. I wanted to do something really fun for the animals, so I hope you like it. All right, I gotta call it quits because even with gloves on, I had gloves on and my fingers are so cold today for some reason, but I'll do one quick coat on the top and then we'll be in business. Schmickens right in the middle. Anchovies. Boom. Yes. Grizzle anchovy. Yes. Mixed with some kale. Ooh. Yum. How about some walnuts? Nuts. Oh, jeez. Oh, nuts. Pistachios in there. Some cranberries. Okay. This Kingston sampler comes with anchovies, pistachios, cranberries, a rotisserie chicken, some kale, walnuts, potatoes. Look, doesn't that look like it's just a big pile of weed? All right, buckle up, Buttercup. We'll see what we get. We definitely got the most footage of the mouse. He just kept running back to his little hole and storing away his food, which he must be so excited about. It was so cute. I love this part right here. He sneaks up on his girlfriend right here and boom, scares the crap out of her. I love that part. I think that's so funny. So I'm actually really bummed. The camera shuts off every 15 seconds, so he flipped over that chocolate box and we missed it. But I bet you it was hysterical. Then he's just hanging out in there apparently. Maybe he's still in there. Maybe he stayed in there for the storm. Who knows? Well, that's it for our Naughty by Nature trail cam video for our February newsletter. Thanks for tuning in. Usually we have more than 3 animals, but as you can see from our time lapse of the blizzard this weekend, it's pretty cold out there, so a lot of animals are just laying low. We'll see what comes up in the next few months. Until then, stay crafty. Bye!